Hey team, welcome back to my channel. The source code for this video is available on my GitHub account. Follow the blue arrows and download this file to your local computer. Let's solve this problem. Let's first switch this to Microsoft SQL Server. As you can see, this problem has 5 tables and there may be duplicate records. Now they want us to begin with printing company code and founder name. And we can see that's in company. Let's go ahead and solve that. As you can see, I'm going to take care of that dupes by using the keyword distinct, and then I'm going to give the company code and founder from company. So that solves this first thing. And now they want the total number of lead managers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to join with lead manager, and notice I'm going to alias that with lm, so lm.companycode equals c.companycode. So that joins these two tables together here. Now what column do we want out of there? Well, we want the count. So we have to come over here and then say count, and then we have to say distinct. Remember, when we have dupes, always use the keyword distinct. And now the name of our table is LM, and it's lead manager code. And then we can give that an alias as well as lead manager count. And guess what? Our second table is all done. Now the third table is going to be this total number of senior managers. So that's in the table called senior manager. And notice it has 3 columns. So let's go ahead and join that up. And notice that we're going to get the lead manager from the lead manager table and the company code back from our original table. Now we want to get the count from this as well, so we pretty much have to do this same line of code as line 3. So let's add a comma on line 2 and then get the distinct senior manager code. Let's get the count and alias that as senior manager count. And guess what? We've just knocked out another table. Let's continue with manager. Now if we've joined up with the manager table, let's go ahead and drop in our line. Notice we're going to use the same format, count the manager code as manager count. Our last table that we need to join is employee, alias it as E, do our joins. Then let's drop in our count distinct employee code, employee count. Let's add all the non-aggregate columns to the group by clause. Well, now that we have group by, the last thing they said is like, let's sort this data. And we use order by. So we say order by c.company code. And we're going to make that ascending, so we say ASC. Now this right here should finish this up. Let's go ahead and hit the run button. And notice all done. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.